Greetings and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ihsan bin Ihsan Satria and you can call me Ihsan. I am 17 years old in age and I am from Sekolah Dato' Abdul Razak Seremban. I am currently studying pure science with an additional subject that is accounting. I am genuinely passionate about engineering and accounting since I have a deep passion for physics and chemistry. Exploring the fundamental laws of the universe and understanding the chemical reactions happening at the molecular level not only drives my curiosity, but also enhances my problem-solving skills, analytical mindset, and also accuracy in decision making. Yep, that's me. Being the president of the Islamic Bureau Bada, I possess strong leadership skills, time management abilities, and effective communication skills. I can organize group projects, be punctual and meet deadlines, and communicate complex ideas clearly. I am confident, a hardworking individual, and also a fast learner. I approach my academic and personal challenges with confidence, believing in my abilities to overcome them. And my hard work ethic drives me to consistently strive for excellence. Also, my fast learning abilities enable me to grasp new concepts clearly and applying them effectively. For my academic achievements, I have achieved 4 A+ and 6 A's in my Form 4 final year exams, and 6 A+ and 4 A's in my Form 4 mid-year exams. So I can assure you, my upcoming results will not disappoint you. Also, I have joined several leadership programs such as Malaysian Future Leader School, Outward Bound Malaysia, and also Nadwah Kepemimpinan Islam, which I believe have profoundly influenced the person I am today. And here are my other achievements. I appreciate your time for paying attention to my video. If you are interested, you can call me via my personal number or you can contact me through my email. Thank you.